This video shows a 15 liters desktop auger powder filler with PLC control. Compared with standard auger fillers, this 15 liters model has a compact design. The machine is made for accurate and repeatable powder filling. We run several repeat filling tests, each set at 70 grams. The bottle weight is tarred before each filling cycle. Consistent and accurate filling results are achieved. Each bottle is positioned and filled with the preset powder weight. This machine is made of 304 or 316 stainless steel for hygienic operation.